So here, yo, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new there, you give me a like thumb and subscribe right there. So basically on this video, I'll be teaching you how to add a simple touch to your videos before you upload it. So yeah, basically if you're using an iPhone has a shortcut where you could edit your videos ASAP before uploading. But if you don't have an iPhone, you can still do that on CapCut. But basically you still need a CapCut app because our editing tutorials, most of them will still be on CapCut. So if you have an iPhone, you still need a CapCut app. So basically on this video, I'm just trying to tell you that once you shoot a raw video, you will need to add some few touches to make it look sharp before you can upload it to your social media platforms. You don't need to just upload the raw video which you shot. So yeah, I'll be teaching you how to do that. So let's go.
So yeah, if you want to add few touches to your video to make your video look cinematic, this is what you do. Now for the iPhone or the iOS, if you're using an iOS, you go straight to your photos. Now you click on the video you want to edit. Let's say you want to edit this one. Now this is the raw video you want to edit. Click on what? Click on edit here, right here. Now this is the video we are planning on editing. Now what we do now, we tap on adjust. Now you can see it's already in auto. Now you just start clicking them one by one. Exposure, you can increase the exposure. Just put it on the one that suits your video. Now this one here is okay. Now we have highlights, you can leave that. Focus on the primary ones. Shadows, contrast, you can increase your contrast a little. Now brightness, now we should be concentrating on leaving our brightness, because the video is already bright. Black point, leave that one. Now saturation, this is to improve the color, so you can increase your saturation to how you want it to be, just depending on how it suits you. Now we have vibrance, you can leave that one. Warmth, that deals with temperature, you can just increase that a little. Now we have tint, you can leave that one alone. Sharpness, don't forget to sharpen your video. Definition and the rest, this one ain't that important. So like if you want to cut out some part of the video that is cropping it, tap on crop here and you should just move these things up to any amount, but I don't want to cut the video. So yeah, that is it. So now if you want to save the video here on your iOS, you press done and it's going to automatically save. But I'm not going to save that here. I don't want to save that here, so I'll just discard changes. So that's it for the iOS if you're using iOS. Now let's head over to CapCut to see how you can add the touches on CapCut also. So here we have CapCut right here. So this CapCut, we tap on new project. Now we add that same video. This is the video we want to edit here. So we add the video. Now this is the same video. So what we do, just like the iOS, you look for where you see adjust. We have adjust right here. Now you can see, just like the iOS, brightness, you can increase a little. Contrast, you can also increase that a little. Saturation, you can also increase that a little. Brilliance, sharpen, don't forget to sharpen your video always. And then we have temperature, just increase that a little. These are the basic ones. Now in case you imported other clips here and you're editing and you want to apply the same effects, or you want to apply the same adjustments that you did here to all the videos, you just tap on apply to all clips and it's going to apply to all the clips, and you press done, so it has been applied to the video. Now don't forget to remove watermark anytime you're editing on CapCut. Now what we do now, you can choose the resolution 4K, so it's going to be the highest quality. You can also increase this one's frames rate, but to prevent too much MB you can just keep it on the recommended, that's 30. And now you do what, you upload your video, rather sorry, you export your video. So while exporting your video, you don't close your CapCut app or lock your screen. It just prevents your screen from sleeping. Now we are done. So now that's it for CapCut. So we are going to go and compare the raw versus the edited one.
This side,